Trying to find a carburetor rebuild kit for my 2012-5500 storm responder generator. The darn carburetor only has the number 4 on the housing and under that the number 011 just above the bowl.
What's the brand and model of your generator? How old is it?
Briggs Stratton storm responder. Model #03040B, 5500 storm responder engine family CBSXS.3422HJ, serial number 1,019,816,094.
What have you tried so far with your Briggs & Stratton generator?
Attempted to clean it. First check the fuel, which has always had Sta-bil. Put fresh fuel in. Replace the fuel line that hubby thought wasn't delivering enough fuel to the tiny carb. Check the oil to make sure it wasn't shutting off on low oil. Then pulled the carb off to clean it. The bolt containing the float was very tight and difficult to remove without rounding out the Phillips head screws, but it came off. The O-ring-style gasket proceeded to swell and become misshapen, making reassembly a pain in the neck.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Can I send a photo of the engine label?
Hello, my name is. I would like to assist you with this. The part number for that carb is 591,378. It can be ordered through any B&S dealer, as well as many places online, such as this one, https://www.jacksmalengines.com/jacksparts/lookup/part/Briggs Stratton /591378.
Holy cow, Hank, thank you so much. I was going crazy trying to find that without any numbers on the stupid imported carb itself. God bless and be safe.
LOL. Not a problem at all, my friend. Glad I could help. Thank you for using JustAnswer, and please take a moment to rate my assistance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.